Then today's question is subsequence, and in this question what we have to do is we have to check if th- like there are two string given s and t, and we have to check whether s is a subsequence of t, which means a subsequence of string is a new string that is formed from original string by deleting some, can be none, or of the character without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. So we can delete some characters, and if the resultant word could, like if there is a possibility that s could be formed, then it is the subsequence. So what we would like do to solve this question is we would use, like, first let's first discuss the approach of it. uh, let's choose a pen. So let's first check what is the test cases. uh, the test We will choose this test case. Let's select the test case, and now let's discuss how are we how we are going to solve this. We will use two pointer approach, where I will start from here. Okay, sorry, I have not selected a pen. So I will start from here, and J will start from here, like, uh, and then uh, we will check if ith character is equals to jth character. If it is true, then we would, like, what we will do is we will move I. But what if it is not equal? Then else what we will do is j plus plus. We will move the j pointer. For this particular case, a is equals to a, so we would move our ith character to here, and we will also move our jth character. So this means we don't have to, like, put else j plus plus. We would, like, increment j irrespective of the condition if. So it is outside the if else block. Okay, we will move j, and now j would point here on h, and it will ask if ith character is equals to jth character, which it is not. So we will move jth pointer, which will then moves to b, still not equal. Then is g equals x? No, not equal. Is d equals x? No. Is c equals x? No. So from here our loop will end, and we will return false. What if we, like, possibly we what if we had find x, like we have we English बेकार है बहुत. Let's use eraser or draw, and here is our eraser. Let's erase. Let's assume this g is actually an x. This g is x. So as we would have found x on this position, we would move I to c, and we would also increment our jth pointer to d. Is c equal d? No. We would then increment j again to c. Is c equals c? Yes. So this means uh, now what we will do is, as it is equal, we are going to increment ith pointer, and the ith I will be equal to 4 in this case, but the length of string is only 3. So our loop will end, and because our loops end, like now I have to check, like after the loops end, like how would we determine if it is substring or not. We could use the logic that if I is equals to length of s, then it would mean true. The s is subsequence of t, and if I is not equal to length of s, this means that our pointers, like sorry our pointer end before reaching last character, and this is only possible uh, if one of the character in s is not found in t. One of the character of, let's assume, s of I not in t of j. We would have scanned s of I character in whole j string, but we could not been able to find. Therefore the loops end before I value is actually equals to this. I hope I'm clear. So what would be the condition for loop? Let's not write code here, we will directly code it here. We can mark two pointer I comma j is equals to 0 comma 0. Then the condition of loop will be while I is less uh, while I is less than length of s and j is less than length of t. And now what we will do, like in this scenario, we would have used a for loop for j pointer because we are incrementing j irrespective of condition. But let's for now use a while loop only, and we would ask if s of I equals s of j, then increment I plus equals 1. J is incremented irrespective of condition, so we will write j plus equals 1 outside of if block, and then after the loops end we would ask return I equal length of s. This should be j. Now let's run the code. Int objected is not okay, sorry, this should be t actually, not j. And all the test cases are passed. Now let's submit it, and the code has been submitted.